Guys, welcome to the channel. It's Daniel Light, and today I bring to you a no deposit bonus which you use to trade the live market as usual. And I've been receiving proof from members who actually got the no deposit bonus from my previous video. The best I can advise you to do right now is to subscribe to the channel and click on notification button so you can get notified anytime I drop any video. In which way you'll be able to maximize profit and also minimize your loss in the forex market so you don't miss out, guys. So we proceed. And showing on the screen is a $30 no deposit bonus from Point broker. And as you can see on the screen, all you have to do is just scroll down and look for this part, participate, and you click on it. Then it takes you to the part where you put in the country where you're from and your Gmail, and immediately you'll be asked to verify your Gmail, which you go to your Gmail and get the code. So you click on the code, you copy it, and then you go back to the site where you have to paste it. So showing on the screen, you see here, I paste it in this area and click acknowledge the agreement, and also you click on next. So you'll be taken to another page where you have to put in your password. You have to set a password for your account with them. So you put in your password and make sure the password is up to the requirements, and you click on done. So the next part, you'll be taken to another part where you have to put in your details in total. So see it here, you put in your details and you have to verify your identity. Showing on the screen, you see identification type, you select passport, your national ID card, any whatever. So for upload, you click on upload and upload your details in this white box here. Once you upload your details, the next thing is to put your full name. You put in your full name, your nationality, you select it, your gender, your date of birth, and place of birth. You put it there according to your details, and also you put in your national identification number, which is on your document. After that, you click on next, showing up here. Then you'll be taken to another part where you have to verify your address. You put in your address details and also answer this question if you are a US person declaration. So you select either no, you select no. So far you are not from US, and click on next. Also to answer this question shown on the screen, to know more about you, once you answer them, you click on next once again, and also you'll be given another question which you just have to answer, and then you keep clicking on next after you answer the questions. And getting to the last part, once you've answered all questions, the last part, you like showing on the screen right here, you see you click on done, and you'll be asked if your verification details are well submitted. If they are correct, you click on continue, and you will receive a message which shows that your requests have been you received. So after some time you've been verified, show you on the screen how it goes, the type of message you receive. So I click on these three lines up here and then click on live chat where I want to request for the bonus. So I first ask the support if the no deposit bonus is still available for Nigerians, and yeah, I got to reply, unfortunately this bonus is not for Nigerians. So after shouting support, showing on the screen right here, see the message up here that my details have been verified. Right now we have to create an MT5 account which the bonus will be credited into, and then you set a password. Right here, see what I did on the screen. I set a password this password will be used to log into your MT5, and then you click on this agreement, the box meant for agreement. You click on them. Once you are done clicking on them, you click on done, showing up here on the screen. Once you click on done, an account have been created for you. See it right here. So you click on got it, which means you've gotten the account. On the next page, see it here, details about your account balance and everything. So you go back to the support where you chat support and request for the $30 no deposit bonus. See it here, my account have been verified successfully. You should receive a message like this that the account have been verified successfully. So the next thing is for you to chat support like I did that first time. You chat support and request for the bonus once again. So you'll be credited within 10 to 20 minutes. You'll be credited and your $30 will be ready to trade. With also the requirements for withdrawal, I would put the PDF for the terms and condition in the comment section, so don't hesitate to go get your no deposit bonus. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can always get update on more videos to come. Have a nice day.